Plan for low rental seasons and vacant periods. Just like any other business, real estate also experiences high seasons and low seasons. However, vacant periods are more common in real estate. If you are buying the home to rent it out, you will experience periods when the home is unoccupied. This often happens when one tenant vacates and you have to keep the home vacant for a while as you perform renovations and while you await a new tenant to show up. During the vacant period, the bank or lender will still expect full mortgage payments. It's up to you to plan how you will make the payment, despite not having a paying tenant on the property. Finally, consider inflation. Whether it's a fixed rate or a floating rate mortgage, lenders keep reviewing the interest rate because of inflation or different factors. The question you should ask yourself is, do you review the rent charged in line with inflationary forces? If you don't, your investments could be costing you more than what you are earning from them. Such an imbalance will lead to the mortgagee sales list.